Today, we're gonna see, you gotta see this property. Like, I mean, you're gonna be with me today touring one of the most amazing properties. This place is just out of this world. Come with me and let's go look at this property. Let's go. So check this out. This is a code key. Amazing. Look at this property. It's just gorgeous. Check that out. This is actually amazing. So check this out. Gas fireplace right here. This is actually really cool though. This is actually the maid's quarter, and it's actually huge though. I'm not gonna really show it to you, but it's got an apartment, little studio space. Everything that you need, look. Everything that you need is right here. And it's just gorgeous. Beautiful. Lots of natural light. And right here, you can see from this beautiful dining room. Gorgeous fireplace right here. Now check out this corridor. It's got 5 bedrooms. We're gonna go all the way to the end. There's linens closet right there. Master bedroom. Check this out. What do you think so far? Beautiful, isn't it? Look at that view. It's just gorgeous. This is one of those places that make you go, wow, beautiful though. We're gonna be seeing the amenities later. You're gonna just go blown away. Those are the horse stables. Amazing. Master bedroom. Master bedroom office. All the bedrooms have walk-in closet and showers. You're gonna see right now. 1. This is number 2. Right here. Same deal. Closet, walk-in closet, and complete washroom. That was number 2. This one's number 3. Same deal, amazing. This one is number 4. So check this out. It's actually great. Let me know what you guys think about this house. If you guys like it or not, let me know. Not beautiful? I think it's beautiful. Gorgeous. Now, let's go look at the downstairs apartment. Very ample spaces. Those are utility rooms right here. So check this out. This is the entrance to the property, and check out the view. It's just gorgeous. Yes, sauna is always my company. About this property. This property is about 500 square meters built. I'll tell you that what is in square foot in the comments, actually in the description and on the information right here. And the other apartment is about 70 square meters. Same deal, I'll let you know. Why square meters? Because Colombia is in square meters. This is actually really cool though. This is the fireplace pit. See that? Balcony right there, balcony right here. It's just gorgeous. And now one thing to notice about this property, check this out. I'm telling you, beautiful. It's just Because for more amazing properties in Medellin, check out this other video, okay? Hey, don't forget, subscribe. Check this out. This is where they actually train the horses. It's just amazing. This isn't this unit. This is just great. See, all the spaces are for horses. Amazing. Just great. Horse stables. Amazing. And check it out. Showers for the horses. Amazing. That's a Maloca. The information for this amazing property is right here.